We've got a really important message for anyone who's looking for work or is receiving unemployment benefits. The time is now to find a career. Let me repeat that. The time is now. In Nevada, federal unemployment benefits expire the first week of September. And when September 4th rolls around, that benefit is over. We have no control over any of that. That means you have 2 months before the extra $300 a week goes away. That's not a lot of time, and that's a lot of money that has to be replaced. It will disappear. We urge you not to wait until the last minute to look for work. DETA reports that the number of weekly unemployment claims continues to fall, and that's a good thing. Because right now we have employers who need you, this opportunity is a time when there is success just waiting for you to expose yourself to the experience that we're going to have here. This is going to be an incredible experience. We know that there are a lot of reasons why people may not have returned to work so far. Some have left their jobs. Some have had time to rethink things as a result of the pandemic and may have gone off in a different direction. Others may well be dependent upon the unemployment benefits. But it doesn't really matter why, if after September people who would not otherwise have the opportunity want to work, now is the time. And the reality is that replacing the $300 is really going to be consequential to families and individuals who've needed those dollars. So this is the time. This is a really critical, wonderful opportunity. I'm here with Commissioner Tick Segerblum, who is co-hosting this with us, and let me introduce him to you.
Thank you, Jim. I've never had an echo before, so it's pretty impressive. I just want to point out that there's going to be over 100 employers. We have 2,500 RSVPs so far, but we're looking at between 10 and 20,000 actual jobs that will be available here on Friday. So anyone who is interested, if you really want work, dress accordingly, come down and meet people. If you just want to check out the job market, you can. But when we asked these employers to participate, we said, first, do you have 10 or more jobs? And second, are these well-paying jobs? We don't want minimum wage jobs. So these are actual jobs that if in your field, or maybe you want to try to switch fields and check it out. But these jobs are worth coming to check out. This is the Las Vegas market. As Commissioner Gibson said, in a couple months, these jobs will not be available and unemployment may run out. So now is a perfect opportunity for anyone looking for a job, anyone who wants to hire somebody to come down here on Friday morning at 9 o'clock. Thank you.
Thanks, Tick. We've got a flyer that lays out some of the employers that will be here, but let me just mention that Tesla, Amazon, CVS, Caesars Entertainment, MGM Resorts, the Cosmopolitan, Venetian, UMC, Anthem, Blue Cross, Blue Shield, Pink Bucks Donuts, Metro Police, PT's Pub, and Sierra Gold. The list goes on and on. Virtually every industry that has employees in our valley is going to be participating in this job fair. There's never been another job fair quite like it. We'll have professionals that will be at the job fair. If you show up and you're not sure of your resume, someone who knows will look at your resume, maybe make suggestions to you. We'll have laptops and printers available if you need to fine-tune it, or if you don't have a resume, we'll help you put one together so that when you go to your job interview, you'll have an opportunity to help the employer understand what your real experience is. Keep in mind that this is a job interview, so dress in an effort to impress the folks that you're going to be interviewing with. And as was indicated, this is a time when there will be people who will come here and bring their resume and dress right and be interviewed. They'll walk out of here with job opportunities. Commissioner Segerblum and I have sponsored several job fairs, and a couple of times we've had people walk past. In fact, we had one lady, I think, who said she had 4 or 6 or something job offers. There will be jobs offered. People will become employed this Friday at the job fair. So let's make sure that we take advantage of every opportunity, and this is one great one. It's also noteworthy that the Southern Nevada Health District will be here to provide vaccinations to people who want them or need them. And keep in mind that some employers are requiring or hoping that their employees will have been vaccinated. I don't know which ones require and which ones hope. I just know that the vaccines can be an issue. If you haven't had a vaccine, then come. All three will be available. They'll be free to you, and it's an opportunity to further comply with whatever their work requirements may be. So we hope that you understand that this is really the last opportunity to get these jobs in time to take care of whatever your budget constraints are going to be after the unemployment benefits change.